This background you are seeing now is fake, complete fake. If the reason why you are not making that video is because your background is not aesthetically beautiful, I brought good news for you. This 2026, there is nothing to hinder us from not coming out from our hidden shell or our comfort zone to come out and show that our speaking skill, because I'm going to teach you step by step on how you are going to change your background and use a fake background and also convey the message that you want to convey. If you are ashamed of your background, like your background is not aesthetically beautiful and you think it's because of it that is hindering you from not making a YouTube video, and you have a lot to say, you have a lot to tell the public, you have a lot to advise the public, and because of that one thing, which is your background, you said that you don't want to come out because your background is not aesthetically beautiful. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you are going to eliminate that your background that you think that is not aesthetically beautiful to a fake aesthetic beautiful background. You can keep using it until you get that background or you rent a house that you know that is aesthetically beautiful. Like I always advise people, you don't always have all before you start showing up. You show up from the little you have, and from there you migrate and growth might come. You can never tell. So start from where you are and start showing up. Hi, my name is Faustina, and this is the face behind everything Faustina. And on this channel, I help new YouTube beginners to start up and grow their YouTube channel step by step. Today's video, what we are basically learning is how to change our non-aesthetic background to a well-aesthetic background using free InShot app. Like I said earlier, CapCut has made most of their features pro, and we that are just coming up with that, we don't have money to do subscription. I've made InShot my best friend. Since CapCut don't want to allow us edit free of charge again, you should normalize making InShot your best friend. So we are going to use InShot app and Google app to get this aesthetically pleasing background, and nobody will know. Yeah, nobody will know. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to share my screen with you and teach you step by step like we always do, like a voiceover recording screen. Like I said, we don't have two phones, so I'm going to show you voice recording so that you can see the screen very well. Like the screen will come closer to you, and we are going to learn it step by step. And make sure that you don't skip any part of this video, because the last part is the real deal. You have to watch from the beginning to the end to grab this knowledge I'm about to share. So keep watching. And if you also have money to subscribe to CapCut Pro, I'm also going to show you how to do it in CapCut Pro. You see that this video is well loaded and fully detailed, and I'm going to teach you step by step, no rushing, until we get it. This 2026, you have no excuse. Like I said, no excuse for you, darling. You got to sit and start telling us that thing that you have in your mind. So let's get straight into it. This is my screen. We are going to head over to our Google, and we are going to search bedroom interior design, and Google is going to bring out so many designs for us. So I'm typing my bedroom interior design, and after I type it, tap search, and Google is going to bring out so many designs for you, and you select the one you like and you screenshot it or you save it. So I'm scrolling to see the ones I like, and I now saw the one that looked like baby girl room, so I screenshotted it, and I'm going to make use of this particular one to show you the editing part of it. And we are going to crop it back to its original size. Remember, we screenshotted it, so you crop it back to its original size. After cropping, what we are going to do now is to head over to our InShot to start editing on our InShot. Like I said, everything we are doing is in the InShot, the only time we need Google is to get the picture of the background we want. So I'm trying to import it inside the InShot app. I'm pressing InShot. I press video, press new project, and import my photo. It's going to now look like a video. I'm going to resize it to our YouTube normal aspect ratio, and after which I'm going to now drag the photo in order to get the length of my video. So you will drag that photo until you get the length of your video. And also don't forget to remove that InShot logo. You are going to look for PIP. PIP is like overlaying your video, and after you get the PIP, you now select the video you want to overlay. In CapCut is called overlay, in InShot is called PIP. So this is the video I've overlaid it, and this is it. What we are going to now do is press on that video and search for cutout. I'm looking for cutout. I press cutout, and this is it. The background has been removed. We have automatically removed the background. So I'm trying to resize it so that my photo or myself will fit inside the background that we want to use for this video. So you keep on resizing until you make sure that you fit inside that background so perfectly that nobody will notice that is fake. You see how I was resizing it patiently. So the first resize I did, I was not satisfied, so I had to resize it. That is to tell you that it's very much flexible. If you are not satisfied, you keep resizing until you fit so perfectly. And you can see that I'm looking like I'm inside the background. From the view of it, you can see that I'm looking as if I'm inside the background. And that is it. You will now go over and add blur. So for the blur, I use effect because I did not see another blur there. I use effect. Inside that effect, you will see blur. You now select the part of blur that you want, and you are going to now reduce or increase how blurry you want the background to be. I now increase and reduce it. Make sure that the background is just so small blur so that the designs will not remove. That volume you are seeing is the part that you are going to use to increase and reduce how blur you want your background to be. You can see me making changes from there. And for the blur, I'm going to now drag it to now stop at the end of our video, and also at the beginning of our video, so that at the beginning will be blur and the end will also be blur. If you watch closely, you now see that the background is blur. So this is how you go about it. You keep adding the blur each part that the blur stop. Like you keep adding the effect. Any part, if you are doing a long video, any part that the blur stop working, you add another extra effect and you still drag it. And any part is stop, you also add another extra effect blur until you get the end of your video. So this is how I come about it. I will now go ahead and export it, and it will now enter into your phone gallery. We have successfully changed our background to a very aesthetic fake background, and that is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Subscription is free. Just press that subscribe button, and tara, you have subscribed. And also press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime we upload our video. See you in my next video. Kudos.